Hello and welcome. Today we are making juicy and absolutely delicious drumsticks, and they're going to be baked, so a very easy recipe. So we're going to start off by preparing the chicken. We're just going to make tiny slits on each piece so that when we rub in the spices, they get to hold on to the drumsticks well. So just make tiny slits as like so in each piece, and then set that aside when you're done, and then let's prepare our spices. So for the spices, I do have a list here with the measurements. Just go ahead and measure those out and then combine all the spices, and after that add them to the chicken. And this is going to be a dry rub recipe, so we do not need olive oil. Just rub in the dry spices together with salt. And this might look like a lot of spices, but not really, because as you cook the chicken, some of the spices are gonna drip off with the drippings from the chicken, so it needs to be rich enough so that your chicken is not too white. So just rub the spices in really well, and then you're all set. Set that aside and then prepare your baking sheet. I like to line mine with aluminum foil just so it's easy to clean up afterwards. And then just go ahead and arrange the chicken like so. If you're making more pieces than mine, just make sure you have a large enough baking sheet so that each chicken has some space to it. And then bake that. Again, I do have the baking instructions there, and now our chicken is ready. Yeah, as you can see, it's well browned. The spices are still on there, so the chicken looks good. It looks very appetizing. Sorry about the lighting. It looked better than this in real life, but that lighting just didn't do as much justice. But yeah, as you can see, the chicken is well cooked. Make sure it's cooked through, and you're all set. So you can enjoy this with whatever sides that you like. And that is it really for today. Enjoy, and see you in another video. Bye bye.